Oh, all right. Oh, almost forgot the hat. Put it in slow motion. No, what's in the box? He was really into that scene. He was freaking out. That's what he was doing. Let's find out what's in the box. No! I can give a damn about a damn thing. So it's your boy ZndBorn, Berkeley graduated, SoundGen validated. I'm gonna be doing a lot of traveling really soon. So I also have a travel vlog that I run for my family. And we go to a lot of cool places and things like this. And I always find myself wanting to work on music when I have a little downtime. I never really set up a streamlined mobile setup. And so for the past couple of weeks, I've been trying a couple of different options for a really rock solid mobile setup. So about a week ago, I found this gem on Reverb, little UAD arrow, love the UAD stuff. But it is still a little clunky, chunky, and when you add the case to it, forget about it. So I was browsing Instagram, and the lovely algorithms sent me an ad from Apogee, and I was like, that's it. You know, took the glasses off. Dear God. Done. Perfect. That's it. Ooh. T.O. Terrell Owens. Yeah. I have it here today. So let's unbox it. Take a look. Oh, before we get to that, don't forget to click like and subscribe on this video. I really appreciate the support you guys give me and keeping this channel running, so thank you again. Apogee! This is the Apogee, I feel like I'm saying that weird, Duet 3. Oh man, look at this. Look at this. Somebody can look at this. You are something else. This is nice. So sleek. Shh, it's crazy. That's crazy. This is my iPhone Max. Picture of me and my my family. And this is the Apogee Duet 3, right? And the Apogee Duet 3. And this is the size of the interface and about the thickness of it. And I have a case on my iPhone, right? Roughly the size of a smartphone, even like an old school like hard drive. Doesn't weigh anything. So when I was talking small and sleek, this is what I meant. I could throw this in my back pocket if I needed to. I won't do that, but I could do it. So the look and the feel of it. Oh. Listen. You guys know how I feel about a click factor. The main dial is so smooth, baby. So smooth. And it has almost a stepped quality to it, which is why you hear that click. Comes with the USB-C cable, and then there's a little adapter on the cable itself for a USB-C to USB-A. Inside the travel case, there's also a smaller case with your breakout cable, 2 XLR inputs, 2 outputs, if you want to plug in some speakers, 2 1/4 inputs for instruments. If I needed to hook up an entire rig, I could do that. A really nice touch for the breakout cables is that they are labeled for your instruments and your outputs so you can see exactly what it is you're plugging into. 2 instruments, 2 microphones, speaker out and headphone out. And there's a headphone jack, and you have your plug-in for your breakout cable, your USB-C cable, and your through cable. Sleek, sexy, super duper functional. A couple of the features, right? Let's see. So the A to D, D to A conversion, you get that legendary Apogee sound there. And this is the best part. Hold on. Wait for it. Oh yeah. Get the O face. You get the O face when you pull off the plastic. 2 world-class preamps. They mentioned that the preamps are powerful enough to amplify your favorite ribbon mics, your dynamic mics, something like an SM7B, so it's able to power that with no problem. So up to 24-bit, 192 kilohertz for recording. It's an aluminum body with a glass face. It's got to be some tough glass. Ah, Gorilla Glass. The glass gains its surface strength ability to contain flaws, crack resistant by being immersed in proprietary hot potassium salt ion exchange bath. Whatever that means. The encoder itself is backlit, which is sexy. You can't have a streamlined mobile device unless it's bus powered, and this lovely guy is bus powered, which is awesome. LEDs indicate which inputs you have engaged, whether it's the insert 1 or insert 2, and whether or not you have the effects engaged. LEDs also indicate whether or not you have your speakers engaged, if you have them plugged in, or if you're using your headphone and you have the signal passing through your headphone. And what's really cool about the hardware itself is that there's in-unit DSP. So when you're running the software and you're running the in-house effects, you can use the hardware's DSP for effects processing while you're recording with near zero latency. And you can use all of that power in the unit itself without taxing your computer. The Duet 3 does come packaged with its control software and its channel strip effects. I'm crazy excited about it. It came with a travel case, but I might just rock it just like this. Nice and sleek, slim, light. They also designed a docking station that's sold separately. When I was searching for the availability for this, the docking station wasn't made available yet, but as soon as it's available, I'll do an update video, show you guys. I'll leave a link in the description below. So that's the Apogee Duet 3. It is a beautiful audio interface. Don't forget to click like and subscribe on the video below if you guys want to see more videos like this. Also, before I forget, I just hopped off an onboarding call yesterday with Mixed by Ali and engineers and the whole engineers crew and other great engineers there. It's a great platform. It's a super dope, super streamlined, super easy platform that's connecting artists with engineers. And yesterday I was on board to be a part of that platform. If you guys have a song that you've been working on, need a little boost, and you want a sample mix from me, I'll leave a link in the description below to contact me. I'll send you a link to give you a discounted first mix from me, give your project a boost, and we can form a relationship and keep rocking in the future at engineers.com/ZndBorn. And I'll leave a link in the description below. I have a lot more videos coming for you guys in the future, so thank you again for watching. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video, and I'll see you then. Peace.